Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna do something that I've seen on Instagram and TikTok that went pretty viral because apparently it was working. We're gonna make the hair dryer in the hair dryer diffuser by using a blow dryer and a colander. And apparently it works like a proper hair dryer diffuser. So let me finish before drying my hair. I usually air dry my hair or with a t-shirt, cotton t-shirt. So now I'm applying just gel that I showed you last time in the last video. This one, oh, curly hair husk shaping gel. So let's finish applying it and scrunching to prepare my hair. And then I'm gonna add a drop of tea tree oil, argan oil, and another type of oil. In this occasion, I'm using nut oil, and I mix them all together in a bottle. And ta-da! And we're gonna start our experiment. So I divided my hair in two sections, very easy. This, I'm gonna scrunch it one last time, and I'm gonna start the magic. Let's see if it works. Guys, just by using a colander and a blow dryer, I have these results. This is amazing. I'm not gonna ever dry my hair with a t-shirt again because the difference is huge. Alright, this viral trick works. Look at these yummy curls. Look at the definition. It took me about 15 minutes to dry them with this homemade diffuser. Super satisfied with the results. This is amazing. Super nice curls with a colander and a blow dryer. Well, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.